Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of three, a digital business mentor, and I know what it feels like when money is tight. When you're broke, every choice feels heavier. Groceries, gas, rent, even time with your family. But the truth is, when life feels heaviest, that's when you need to stay the most grounded. See, when money's low, your mind races. You start questioning everything. What am I doing wrong? Why does this keep happening? And I've been there. But here's what changed everything for me. I stopped trying to fix my situation from panic and started building from peace. Because when you try to fix broke energy with more broke energy, you just keep spinning your wheels. Instead, I learned to build my foundation mentally, spiritually, and financially from stillness. That's where I found real stability. That's how I eventually built my online business. And here's the truth. The reason you're struggling isn't because you're not capable. It's because the way you've been trying to get out is built on survival, not alignment. When you learn to build from stillness, not stress, you make different decisions. You start seeing opportunities differently. You realize money doesn't show up from panic, it flows to peace. So here's what I recommend. Start every day with quiet before chaos. Remind yourself that your worth doesn't decrease with your bank account. Focus on creating something that can pay you daily, even while you're at work or sleep. That's exactly what my system helps people do. It's how I went from broke and exhausted to consistent daily income online without hustling nonstop. If this message hit home and you're ready to stop struggling just to survive, go to getdailypayments.com and I'll link it in the description below. That's where I'll show you step by step how to build peace, time freedom, and daily income online, all from stillness, not stress.